Hello, this video will demonstrate how to compute the mean, variance, and standard deviation for a discrete probability distribution. First of all, to compute the mean, we have to multiply each outcome with its corresponding probability and then sum all of those products. To accomplish this, click on a cell below the first outcome and probability, type equals, select the cell that contains the outcome 1, multiply that with the cell that contains the corresponding probability, hit enter. Now we're going to use this little button here on the lower right hand corner to drag to the right to allow Excel to perform similar computations for the other outcomes and probabilities. Next, we're going to click on a separate cell. We type equals and then sum. We want to sum all of these values. So starting with the initial product, we will select all of the other products that were computed, close the parentheses, select enter. And so the mean is 1.95. To compute the variance, first we have to square each outcome and then multiply the square with the corresponding probability. We start with the first outcome. We type equals. We select the cell that contains the first outcome. We use the caret symbol, which represents a power, and then we type 2. So we're squaring the value in that first cell. Then times, select the cell that contains the probability and hit enter. And then once again, we're going to drag the little black box to the right, and that will allow Excel to perform similar computations for all the other outcomes and probabilities. Next, we click on another separate cell, and we have to find the sum of this entire set of numbers. So we type sum, parentheses, select that array of numbers, close the parentheses. But the other component of the function is we have to subtract the mean, which is 1.95. Let's click on the cell that contains the mean, and then once again the caret symbol for square, because we always have to subtract the mean squared from the sum of the products. Select enter, and we can round this to 2 decimal places, so that is the variance. And next, to compute standard deviation, Excel has a built-in standard deviation function. We type equals SQRT. That's the function for the square root. We can also click here to activate it. Click on the cell that contains the value for variance. Close the parentheses. And let's round this to 2 decimal places. And so we've just computed the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.